Okay, hello, I am Diana, and for the first question, assessments and teaching reading can help us understand the strengths and needs of the students, providing good reading instruction. The assessments are used to update the understanding of them, deciding where the student needs the most improvement. However, it is important to first find out the background knowledge and learn what the student already knows before planning the instruction and help them succeed. This also needs to be planned individually, as it is important to assess the students usually according to their reading level. Therefore, implementing the right assessment for each of the students will allow them to reach their highest capacity. In addition to this, understanding the different assessments techniques and becoming familiar in which one works the best for the student is also important. The important decision is to know what information you want to obtain in order to know what assessment to give to the student, because there's plenty of assessments and we need to become familiar with all of them. This is also beneficial because it monitors the students' progress. They allow a teacher to see how much improvement the students are having. Okay, so now for the second question, a teacher can use an IRI to determine the reading levels of the students. Before presenting this, the teacher should have an informal conversation with the child to become familiar with their oral language, with the student's oral language, pronunciation, vocabulary, the ability to respond to certain questions, and their sentence structure used. An example of this was when we presented the Garfield activity with our kid. I was able to use a little girl from the school I was doing my field 2 observations. The IRI is used with the student in a situation in which the oral and silent reading of pieces usually taken from the book is analyzed. The teacher should use should choose an unknown text, and it should be in their grade level. It is important to choose texts that do not include long stories. Then the teacher will know the students' mistakes using the MISCU classification and analysis. Also, it is important to observe their behavior during their reading, like their face reactions and gestures and all that, and also ask questions based on what they have read. The ultimate goal is to gain an estimate of a child's reading skills. Thank you.